good morning, guys. This is Brad here at Tool Tech Auto Repair. Getting ready to work on a 2008 Jeep Wrangler. Pilot bearing is coming all apart. I'm using a different style tool than I normally use. I'm going to show y'all what it's all about. All right. I got the tool hooked up, and you see it's I got the bearing partially out. I'll show y'all how this tool works. All right, you just turn the deal here. Press that bearing clean out. Going back to old school, we usually use a ratchet wrench on this. Testing out my skills. Almost there. Cool deal. All right. Show y'all what we got. Carry it over to the table. Let's see. That's the pallet bearing. The center, you gotta release it. That's what pushes these jaws out. Pretty neat tool. It's better than the old grease tool we used to use. But you pretty much, when you turn the center, it pushes these arms out inside the bearing. And then you use this with a wrench, and it presses it out. And let me show you all the part number that I'm using. Right. And this is what we're using. This thing worked really well. And I don't know if y'all want to see it, that's the part number. Alright. Well, hope y'all have a great week, and we'll talk to you later.